everybody? Brent from Brent Speed. As always, thanks for watching Brent Speed TV. Check out this beautiful 18 GT automatic 85 car, Whipple Supercharged. We're gonna watch a dyno pull. This baby lays down over 900 raw horsepower. We'll tell you how we got there. But hey, if you haven't, please subscribe, hit notify, hit today. Let's go check it out. Okay, before we watch the dyno pull, a few things. Open the details. I'm gonna put links to everything we're getting ready to talk about. Email quote@brentspeed.com and say, what's this cost to get built? Because we keep these superchargers in stock and we can ship them right to your door. Doug, come down here, take a look. So we have Gen 5 Whipple, of course, the big 132 throttle body as always, but we're running E85. We have a 3-inch pulley on this. This is running just over 17 pounds of boost. 4 fuel system, ID 1050 injectors, set of stainless works long tube headers, billet oil pump gears, pretty much the standard combo that we like to see on a car like this. Again, it's an automatic. And if you like this dyno video, I have over 100 Whipple Supercharged videos. Just search around BrentSpeedTV.com, check them out. But right now, check out this dyno pull. All right, after we look at these numbers, we're going to take one more look at the car because it is so awesome. But DynoJet SAE, 919 raw horsepower, peaking at 7,500. Torque comes in 732, peaking at 58. Peak boost 17.66, peaking at 7,600 RPM. Doug, back up, take a look at the graph. Super smooth DynoJet SAE, smoothing 5. You gotta love it. So fast on the street, 10-speed auto. Check this baby out. Check it right here, 350 on the front. That's a cool mod. You don't see a lot of these with the addition of the 350 on that as a GT. But you know, that's pretty much it for today. Hope you enjoyed that dyno pull. Again, check out the other videos. I will put a link at the end of this to a playlist. You can, make it really easy on you. Just click on it, check out the other videos. But that's it for today. We're located in Indiana. Quote@brentspeed.com. What's it cost to get built? Thanks for watching.